welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Coco Black Hair. Big thank you to Coco Black for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So this is not a new company to the channel. I've worked with them before. I worked with them on this video right here. It was a silky straight bob. It was a 2x6 closure. So I'll insert that video right here and it'll be linked down below. So this is my second time working with the company. This time I have a ready to wear pre-everything 13x6 HD lace frontal wig. This has to be some of the best lace. This is definitely going up there with my top when it comes to HD lace. This lace was so thin. So I used a few new products, which will be linked down below as well. I did a meltdown, and then I decided to do some pin curls because it is approaching holiday season, so I know we want that holiday hair. The easy tutorial that I feel like anyone can follow. All you really need are duck clips, or you can use bobby pins and a little bit of holding spray. So after that, I just showed you how to achieve this look, which is just 2 braids. Because this is a 13x6, you have so much parting space. My part goes all the way back here, as you can see, and it does taper off a little on the sides, but you still have the 13x6 to about here. So you can do a side part if you're a left side, right side type of person. You can part it on either side, or you can do something like this, because in the back, the way the tracks are sewn down to this unit is seamless, so you can't see anything. So I'm gonna have all the details and links down in the description box in case you are interested in this wig. But I love this. When I worked with them last time, the lace was so small because it was a 2x6. I didn't really get to experience this. This looks so good, like not just on camera, but in person. This is some really good lace. It's very, very fine. I typically don't like pre-cut wigs, but I don't mind this one because they did a really good job with the construction and the lace. So this is 24 inches long. I'm gonna have the density and all the details down below. You can get this up to 30 inches. So you can go on the website and filter this out. If you don't want a 13x6, you can do a 5x5, 13x4. You can basically customize the wig the way you want it. And keep in mind, everything is done when you get it. This is pre-plucked, pre-cut, and the knots were bleached. The knots are bleached really well. And I'm not gonna lie, this tweezing job is pretty good too, because a lot of times the pre-cut wigs come pretty dense. I think they did a good job with tweezing this hairline. Like, even if you wanted a little more, you don't have to do too much. Don't forget to like this video on your way out. Big thank you to Coco Black Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one.